Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we have covered important questions and answers related to Union Budget 2021. Friends, as you must be aware that Union Budget 2021 was presented on 1st February 2021. And just like every year, this year too, we can expect at least one or two questions based on this topic in the upcoming competitive exams. Thus, I strongly recommend that you watch this video attentively in order to secure those precious marks. Now let's get started. Question 1. Union Budget is referred to as dash in the Constitution of India. Here are the options. The correct answer is Annual Financial Statement. Union Budget is referred to as Annual Financial Statement in the Constitution of India. Question 2. Which article of Indian Constitution contains the provision of presenting Union Budget, that is the Annual Financial Statement, in the Parliament? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Article 112. Question 3. Who among the following presented the first Union Budget of independent India? Here are the options. The correct answer is R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. R.K. Shanmugam Chetty was the first finance minister of independent India. He presented the first Union Budget of independent India on 26 November 1947. Question 4. Who among the following has presented Union Budget maximum number of times? Here are the options. The correct answer is Morarji Desai. He has presented the Union Budget 10 times. Question 5. In terms of number of words, who among the following has delivered longest Union Budget speech? Here are the options. The answer is Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh's Union Budget 1991 speech comprised 18,650 words, which is the longest in terms of number of words. Question 6. As per Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, budget proposals for the year 2021 and 2022 rest on how many pillars? The answer is 6. These 6 pillars are health and well-being, physical and financial capital and infrastructure, inclusive development for aspirational India, reinvigorating human capital, innovation and R&D, and minimum government, maximum governance. Question 7. At the time of presentation of Union Budget, fiscal deficit for financial year 2020 to 2021 stood at dash percent of the gross domestic product. Have a look at the options. The correct answer is 9.5%. Moving on to the next question. As announced in Union Budget 2021, fiscal deficit for the financial year 2021 to 22 is estimated to be dash percent of the gross domestic product. Here are the options. The correct answer is 6.8%. Question 9. Which of the following statement about Union Budget 2021 are correct? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is all of the above. Union Budget 2021 is the first one to be presented as paperless due to the ongoing COVID pandemic. Personal income tax slabs have been kept unchanged, and the budget proposes to modernize existing health units at 32 airports, 15 seaports and land ports. All these 3 statements are correct. Question 10. Which scheme will be launched to develop primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare? The answer is PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana. This scheme will be launched with an outlay of about Rs 64180 crores over a period of 6 years. Question 11. which mission will be launched to improve nutritional outcomes across 112 aspirational districts? The answer is Poshan 2.0. Question 12. In Union Budget 2021 speech, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced an outlay of Rs 2.87 trillion towards the launch of which mission aimed at better water supply nationwide? The answer is Jal Jeevan Mission Urban. Moving on to the next question. In context of education sector proposals announced in Union Budget 2021, which of the following proposals are correct? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is all of the above. 100 new Sainik schools to be set up, 750 Eklavya schools to be set up in tribal areas, and a central university to come up in Ladakh. All these three statements are correct. Question 14. Under voluntary vehicle scrapping policy, as announced in Union Budget 2021, personal vehicles would undergo fitness test after dash years, while commercial vehicles would require it after completion of dash years. The answer is personal vehicles would undergo fitness test after 20 years, while commercial vehicles would require it after completion of 15 years. Question 15. As announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, 100% electrification of broad rail routes will be done by? The answer is December 2023. Question 16. Under Union Budget 2021, a record amount of rupees dash crore has been allocated to the railways. The answer is rupees 1,10,055 crore. This is the allocation for railways. Question 17. In context of Union Budget 2021, which of the following statements pertaining to highway projects in states is correct? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is all of the above. Tamil Nadu has been allocated rupees 1.03 lakh crore for 3,500 km of national highway works, including the Madurai-Kollam and Chittoor-Thatchur corridors. In Kerala, 1100 km of national highways have been proposed at an investment of rupees 65,000 crore. In West Bengal, rupees 25,000 crore has been set aside for 675 km highway works, while in Assam, 1300 km of national highway would be built in the coming 3 years at a cost of rupees 34,000 crore. All these three statements A, B and C are correct. Question 18. In the Union Budget 2021 speech, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman mentioned that ship recycling capacity at ports will be doubled by which year? The answer is 2024. Ship recycling capacity at ports will be doubled by 2024. Question 19. As announced in Union Budget 2021, people above dash years who get pension and earn interest from deposits have been exempted from filing income tax returns. The answer is 75 years. Friends, this is a very important question, so just pay attention. People above 75 years who get pension and earn interest from deposits have been exempted from filing income tax returns. Question 20. As per announcements made under Union Budget 2021, the time limit for reopening of income tax assessment cases has been reduced to dash years from 6 years. The answer is 3 years. The time limit for reopening of income tax assessment cases has been reduced to 3 years from 6 years. However, in case of serious tax evasion cases, which involves sum of rupees 50 lakh or more, it can go up to 10 years. Question 21. To attract more overseas capital inflows, foreign direct investment limit in the insurance sector has been increased from the existing 49% to? The answer is 74%. The limit has been increased to 74%. Question 22. Which of the following statements in context of Union Budget 2021 are correct? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is all of the above. National Hydrogen Mission to be launched to generate hydrogen from green power sources. Gas pipeline project to be set up in Jammu and Kashmir. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana to be extended to cover 1 crore more beneficiaries. All these statements are correct. Question 23. The government has decided to increase the insurance cover for bank deposits to rupees dash lakh from the existing cover of rupees 1 lakh. The answer is rupees 5 lakh. The insurance cover for bank deposits to rupees 5 lakh from existing cover of rupees 1 lakh. Under Union Budget 2021, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has allocated how much funds for celebrating the 60th anniversary of the liberation of Goa from Portuguese rule? The answer is rupees 300 crore. Question 25. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced that government will infuse how much funds in public sector banks in 2021 to 22 to meet the regulatory norms? The answer is rupees 20,000 crore. Friends, this question will be very important from bank exams point of view. Question 26. In Union Budget 2021 to 22, rupees 5.554 lakh crores has been allocated towards capital expenditure, which is dash percent more than the budget estimate of 2020 to 21. The correct answer is 34.5%. Question 27. The Economic Survey 2020 presented before the Union Budget 2021 has pegged the GDP growth at dash percent in financial year 2021 to 22. The answer is 11%. Question 28. In context of Union Budget 2021, which of the following statements about agriculture and fisheries sector is correct? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is all of the above. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund to be made available for APMCs for augmenting their infrastructure. 5 major fishing hubs including Chennai, Kochi and Paradeep to be developed, and a multi-purpose seaweed park to be established in Tamil Nadu. All these statements are correct. Question 29. Under Union Budget 2021, how much funds has been allotted for coronavirus vaccines? The correct answer is rupees 35,000 crore. Question 30. This will be the last question. Under Union Budget 2021, overall allocation for health and well-being has soared by dash percent in the financial year 2021 to 2022 as compared to previous year. The correct answer is 137%. So that's it, friends. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.